Hello, today I am going to explain about the laser. So first we will see the basic principle used in the laser, then we will see the different types of the lasers, applications of the laser. In that we will see the one of the application of the laser which is used in the medical field only. So first laser what is light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation is. So, according to quantum theory of energy, each atom has a known characteristics energy value. If another form of the energy such as heat, light or electricity is used to stimulate an atom, its electrons are displaced and raised to excited level. In excited level, the atom holds some energy for only short duration or for short time, that is a 10 raised to minus second. After this time period, that electron again come back to the ground level. So whenever it returning back to the ground level, it emits the packet of light. In other ways, we can call as a photons or a light quantum. So with this one light quantums, it release the energy is equal to h into v's. So this light quantum is nothing but the lasers are there. So this one is a simple diagram is there. So whenever our atom is given the external energy for the stimulation purpose, so when that time the electrons of the atoms are get excited and they are goes into this excited state only. So this one is the energy levels are there. This one is the first energy level, that is a E1 is there, and this one is the excited energy level is there, that is a E2. So in this excited state, these electrons are remains for the 10 raised to minus 8 second. After that time, those electrons are again come back to the ground level. So whenever they are returning back to the ground level, that time these electrons are emitted photons with the HV energy is there. So whenever these electrons are emitted the photons, that one is nothing but the packet of light is there, and this one light of packet is called as a lasers only. So this one is the basic principle to get the laser. Now we will see the types of laser. So which type of the material we are using, means which type of the atoms we are using to get the laser light. According to that, there is a different types are there. So first one is the pulsed ruby laser is there. Second, Nd:YAG laser. Third, helium neon laser. Fourth, argon laser. Next, CO2 laser. In this, they are using the CO2 gas. Next one is the semiconductor laser and excimer laser. So these are the different types of the lasers. Now we will see the different types of different applications of laser. So firstly, this laser light is used in the treatment of detached retina. Second, in diabetic retinopathy, they are using the laser. Next, in neurosurgery, obviously they are using the uh, lasers. In gastroenterology, they are using the lasers. In dermatology, again in the surgery of ear, nose, and throat. Again, they are using in the gynecology. So these are the number of the applications of laser. So today we will discuss about the gastric photocoagulator. So in that, whenever the gastric they are getting the bleeding, heavy bleeding, to stop that bleeding, they are using the photocoagulator. So this one is the block diagram of the gastric photocoagulator. In that, they are using the argon lasers To get the argon lasers, we are using here power supply. Then partial beam splitters are used here to split the beam. Then again we are using here power meter and a heat sink is there. So this power meter is used to measure the how much power they are emitting from the this argon laser. That one we can observe here. And also which one lasers are there, those one they are having the more heat. So to sink that one heat, they are using here heat sink is there. Next, lens system is there, micro positioners are there, then encapsulated quartz fiber guide is there, and then here is the endoscope is there. To control this all this structure, they are using here firing control and timing circuit is there. So this firing control is used to fire the argon laser only. So how much time duration we want to emit the laser, according to that the firing control is there. And also it controls the timing of the laser beaming. So for this purpose they are using the firing control and timing circuit is there. Now by using the argon laser, it controls the gastric hemorrhage. The system employs a water cooled argon lasers are the in this. They are using the high power argon lasers are there. So to cool that argon lasers, they are using the water cooler uh, system is used to cool down these lasers. Then next one, this one type of the laser, it delivers more than 13 watt energy continuously for the radiation purpose. This system used special purpose beam splitter to provide a aiming beam for endoscopist at a preset and well controlled operating level. So these beams are used to get preset and well controlled operating level. The high power beam is transmitted to the flexible quartz waveguide by triggering an electronically controlled solenoid. So here this one is the encapsulated quartz fiber waveguide is there. So which one laser lights are there, that those laser lights are focused in this or in transmitted in this quartz fiber cable only. This solenoid shutter can adjusted in 0.1 second steps from 0 to 760 second. So the quartz fiber is encapsulated in a laminated sheath of non-toxic polythene with an overall diameter of less than 2 mm. The gastric photocoagulator which can be inserted into the biopsy channel of conventional flexible endoscope for non-invasive control of gastric bleeding. So here there is a encapsulated quartz fiber waveguide is there. So this one fiber waveguide is inserted into this biopsy channel only. This one is the biopsy channel is there, and here they are using the number of the shutters are there, and filters are used here. And this one is the endoscopy channel is there. So through this one only, non-invasively we can give the treatment, or we can do the coagulation of bleeding only. So this one system, it having some limitations. So whenever we are using this photocoagulator, then we maybe get the difficulties to control the severe bleeding. Next one limitation is that fiber can be damaged if blood is flashes into the tip during high power operation. So to overcome these problems, stream of CO2 gas were blown on the bleeding side. So because of that one, overlying blood should be blown away, and we can protect the fiber. So in this way we can protect the fiber from the splashed blood splashing. So this one is the explanation about the laser and gastric photocoagulator. Thank you.